So, hello everyone. We are here at Electrotech Expo, and this is the third and the last day of this exhibition. We are currently at the stall of Laser Technologies, and we have with us right now Mr. Yogesh Shimpi, the Business Development Manager. So, let's talk to them about their experience here. So, hello, sir.
Hi.
Firstly, thank you for your time. How has been the footfall for the last 3 days?
See, since first days, it was a very good relevant experience related to electronic and some other electronic manufacturer and importers. So as of now, it is good. The traffic is overall is fantastic.
So, sir, as we know that this particular exhibition is for the electronic components, right?
Right.
So, what specific product are we displaying here for this particular exhibition?
See, we are showcasing here UV laser marking machine. Another one is fiber laser marking machine, and third one is GCC Engraving machine. So these three machines are relevant for this expo and related to all the electronics manufacturer and importers.
So, sir, would you like to give to our audience a gist about these machines?
Means basically these are the machines for using for the component to the manufacturing, and they want to mention their brand name, their coding, barcoding on that particular component. So these are very useful machine and relevant category to all the electronic manufacturer and suppliers.
So, sir, are these machines all indigenous?
Business is not particularly, but you can be relevant in the relevant industry and all.
Alright. So, sir, what were your expectations for this expo, and were they fulfilled?
Yes, we are expecting many manufacturers and importer suppliers can be connected with us. We have a customized solution. We have an expert for their particular machines, so they can connect us for their customized solution expectation. We can fulfill in the very hypothetical condition and all.
So, is this your first time participating in this expo, Electrotech
Yes,
Expo?
this expo we are participating first time, but as per the experience, we would like to participate another year, upcoming years and all.
All right. Anything else you would like to tell to our audience?
No, please visit us. This is the last day. As much as the audience we can gather here, and we would like to explore ourselves with our customers and end users as well.
All right. Sir, thank you so much for your time. And this was an interview with Laser Technologies. Thank you.